Hi friends, I'm here to show you how to submit a assignment and create an audio or video recording. So Sarah, again, I'm using your account. I apologize. But this week I'm going to have you make an audio or video recording in response to a question. So it's actually in this folder right here. So if I go to this week, it's going to be Tuesday, and it's right here where it says Daily Read Aloud, the Lemonade War. I'm actually asking you to respond to a question, but instead of typing your response, I actually want you to record yourself on an audio clip or a video clip. So you're going to come over here as a response. If you're participating in the read aloud, you're going to come over here and you're going to click Submit Assignment, and it'll bring this up, and you're going to just keep yourself on upload. So obviously you see there's a couple options. There's a file option where I can include a file, but you're not going to do that. You're going to go to the other one that says audio video recording, and you're going to click on that, and then you're going to pick one of these. So there's audio only, so that'll just be your voice. I won't hear, I won't see your face, which is fine. So you'll click on that, and then I'll show you what it looks like. You'll just click start recording, and then it'll start counting up, and then you'll just record. And then when you're done, you'll just click insert. Here, I'll show you how to do it right now. Hi, this is Mrs. Zemke. Test, test, test. It'll say uploading, and then you'll just insert recording, and it'll click it right there, and then you can write a comment if you want. You do not have to, and then you just click submit, and then now it says that Sarah has submitted an assignment. Okay, I'll go ahead and delete that for you, Sarah. Don't worry about it. But if you would like to do a video, you can do the same thing. It's audio and video, and you do the exact same thing. It starts to record you. And you go ahead and record yourself, and then you do the same thing and you click submit, just like I showed you. So you can do either one of those. I want one of those as a response instead of comments, okay? So I hope that helps you out today. And I look forward to seeing those. Do me a favor, remember to not make them too long, because the longer they are, the longer it takes to submit. So keep them a little shorter. They don't need to be like 5 seconds, but let's keep it under like 3 or 4 minutes, okay? All right, sounds good. Looking forward to seeing those today. All right.